Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, January 17th, 2019, and today in our Tech News Update we have Microsoft that is going to help out its workforce. What's happening is many cities around these big tech companies have problems with, affordable housing. Microsoft has pledged to invest $500 million to help the crisis in the greater Seattle area. Hopefully, this will bring some better housing and more affordable housing to some of the tech workers. The October 2018 update of Windows 10 is now pushed to pretty much everyone, except if you have a little something. So in the next weeks, if you see it appear on your computer, don't be surprised, as now Microsoft deems that it's good for almost everyone, and it will be, of course, released through Windows Update for everybody that is or has a compatible machine. Well, have you ever gone on the internet to get a free trial of a website? Then you forget that after the free trial, you'll have to pay. An example, Netflix free trial or Amazon Prime. Well, Mastercard has decided that if you actually go to a free trial of a service, it will ask you for permission before it charges you for the first time. This will change the game and will actually remind everyone that maybe if you don't want to be or don't want to pay for a service, you won't be there. Android Q, the next version of Android that will be released later this year, will have a system-wide dark theme or dark mode. It will have better privacy settings and even something called a desktop mode, which will be interesting to see as we're learning more and more details of the next operating system for smartphones. Problem is, we still need to have Android Pie kind of show up on most phones still. The Google Play Store will have some changes. Google had started announcing last year that 32-bit apps, they're wanting slowly to, remove them. Well, Google has announced that now they will stop serving 32-bit apps to the Google Play Store August 1st, 2021. But also, not just 32-bit apps will be removed. Starting August 1st of this year, 2019, you will need to supply a 64-bit version of any apps that you want to submit to the store. Cybersecurity UpGuard has discovered that an unsecured server in the U.S. government in the Oklahoma Securities Commission had 3 terabytes of very sensitive data open to anyone without a password. This means years of investigations of very, very sensitive details were available to anyone. You just needed to know where to go and check out the details. Of course, this is another reason why we need better security. Google Chrome started in 2018 to stop displaying ads on websites that abuse of them, and this was effective in Europe and North America. This will be expanded in July of 2019 with worldwide blocking of disrupting ads. It wants to lower the amount of bad ads you see in an effort to probably also lower the use of ad blockers. Facial recognition is always a very sensitive issue, and we learned in 2018 that Amazon was selling a facial recognition tool to law enforcement and governments. Many people started to complain, even employees started to say, hey, you shouldn't do that. Now the shareholders want Amazon to stop selling it. So we'll see what happens with this, but I would guess they probably make a lot of money out of it. Have I Been Pawned has released a new, or revealed that there's a new list containing 773 million unique emails and 21 million unique passwords that they put their hands on in what is the biggest list of data breach information ever on the internet. It actually now makes the database grow to 1.16 billion combinations of emails and passwords. And that means that there's a lot of information about people out there. YouTube is cracking down on what is the Bird Box challenge following the Netflix movie. A lot of people have been just, doing stupid and dangerous things, which is a lot of things happening on YouTube anyways. Now they've updated their policy for dangerous pranks, and they will not accept any of this on their service. A study says despite years of scams, education about what to do and what not to do what could be a scam or not, more than half of the people surveyed and were targeted with, of course, a form of scam, well, pretty much got caught, meaning that people still haven't learned the personal or the minimum of details of what they see as a scam or not on the internet. And this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, January 17th, 2019. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.